Hey, it's Bey, and today I'm going to be reviewing the Whyzyv lazy neck holder for your phone or tablet. I've never seen anything like this before, but I really like the concept of it. You can put it on your neck and use your phone or tablet hands-free, but it's much more than that. I have collaborated with a few other tech YouTubers and they will discuss what they like about the Whyzyv lazy holder, so make sure to stick around. Also, there's a giveaway, so make sure to watch until the end for information on how to enter. The lazy neck holder can hold any smartphone or tablet from 4.7 inches to 7.2 inches, which is great. That means that it can hold my Note 8 and my iPad mini, but not at the same time, of course. When you open the box, you get the wire part coiled up and the device holder. As you can see, it can store up really compact and neat when you're not using it. To assemble, just unwind the wire part of the lazy holder and attach the device holder to the ends of the wire part. They magnetically attach, which is cool, and you can easily separate the two pieces with no hassle, but they won't accidentally disconnect. The wire part is flexible but very sturdy. It holds its shape very well, but that also means that it will take a little bit of strength to mold it into place. The device holder holds both phones and tablets, as you know, so to compensate for that, it holds your phone from top to bottom. This isn't a downside or anything, but I just wanted to point it out. It does rotate 360 degrees anyways, so it doesn't really matter. Since it rotates 360 degrees, you can use your phone and tablet in both portrait mode and landscape mode. That means that you can use apps like Instagram and YouTube with the lazy holder, which is great. It weighs about a pound, which isn't very heavy, but it might be for some people if you wear it on your neck for extended periods of time. However, I never had a problem with it. Now, here's Erin, and let's see his thoughts on the Whyzyv lazy holder.
Hey guys, this is Erin from the channel Erin Wilhelm, and my favorite use for this cell phone holder has to be using it as an elevated phone mount. I typically set up this phone mount when I'm at my dining room table or at my desk, and when I do that, I set it to where the phone is basically at eye level. I use the mount to hold my phone while I'm eating or having to do adult things like working on a budget or what have you, so that I can still watch Philip DeFranco or my favorite tech YouTubers without having to worry about my phone falling over or propping it up against a glass or whatever. I've had no issues with this mount actually holding my phone. I have a Galaxy S8 Plus, and until I put a pop socket on it, it held it just fine, so no go on pop sockets if you're using those. But with the arm or the leg or whatever being as flexible as it is, you can adjust the height to whatever suits you best. If you want the mount lower, no problem. If you want it higher, it takes a little bit of finesse to make sure you get your balance right on the stand itself, but in the end, it's not a problem. The number of uses for this thing are seriously about endless, but this is the way that I find myself using it the most. Brody, how are you using it?
God, I hate mornings. Thanks, Erin. This is Brody from Pack Review. Sometimes in the morning, I either wake up really late or I'm just rushing around because, well, I woke up late. But when I first wake up, I like to check my emails or my YouTube channel and catch up on videos from other fellow YouTubers. Well, for me to do all that and also get coffee and also eat, I have to multitask. With Whyzyv's lazy phone holder, I can accomplish that very easy in the morning. I can actually watch my YouTube videos or check my emails while having a hot cup of coffee and, well, my favorite, a Pop-Tart, and also, well, I get to do my business in the morning at the same time. Thanks, Whyzyv. You actually made my mornings a lot easier. Actually, I'm going to finish doing my business, so let's go over to Jason from BeyCinema and see how he uses it. Cheers.
I really like using the Whyzyv lazy neck holder with my bicycle. I play Pokemon Go, and this is an awesome thing to have, especially when I'm on my bike. I can just attach the lazy holder to my bicycle handlebars, and now I can play Pokemon Go without having to hold my device. This is super helpful and useful to me because now I can put both of my hands on the handlebars and all around be more attentive to my surroundings, which is very important when you're riding a bike. There's a Pokestop near me, and I like to bike there once in a while, and it's nice because I can play Pokemon Go hands-free. With the Whyzyv lazy holder, I can bike around for Pokemon without having to hold my phone and stop when I want to catch them. In addition to playing Pokemon Go, you can also launch your favorite navigation app on your phone. Now you have a hands-free navigation system while riding your bike. This is especially useful if you use your bicycle as your main source of transportation. You can easily look at your phone without having your eyes fully off the road, which is great. That's what I like about the Whyzyv Lazy Neck Holder. Overall, the Whyzyv Lazy Neck Holder is an awesome accessory to have for your phone or tablet. You can use your devices hands-free and it's very versatile. As you saw from this video, you can use it pretty much anywhere in your house, car, and even on your bike. It's built very well and it stores up really nice and compact when you're not using it. I'll put a link in the description to Amazon if you're interested in purchasing this product. So here are the giveaway details. There will be a gleam.io link in the description and all you have to do is go to that link and follow the instructions. It will tell you to subscribe to our channels, follow our Twitter, and things like that. Each task you do will be a certain amount of entries, so make sure you do everything so that you get the maximum amount of entries. There will be more information in the description as well as the end date of the giveaway. Have fun! Also, there are 2 codes that you can find in the description. The first code is if you buy 1 lazy holder, you get 15% off. The second code is if you buy 2 lazy holders, you get 20% off in the same order. Oh yeah, another thing. There's also going to be a 50% discount code for the Whyzyv USB Type-C cable, so make sure you go pick that up as well. These codes aren't going to last forever, so make sure you use them while you can. That was my video review of the Whyzyv Lazy Neck Holder for your phone or tablet. Thank you so much again Brody from Packed Review and Erin Wilhelm for coming on. I'll be sure to put the links to their YouTube channels in the description, so make sure to check them out. If you found this video useful, please leave a like and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell so you get a notification every time I upload. Leave me a comment saying what your favorite feature of the Whyzyv Lazy Neck Holder is. Thanks for watching and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace!